Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. This is the Victoronix block set with fibrox handles, as you can see from the front. So I got one of these. I didn't get one. It was given as a gift to my girlfriend as a anniversary gift from her job. So that's what you get on the side right there. These are all the knives that you get with it, so you can see. Alright. And there's this side. Okay. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we can see it inside the camera. Alright, that's all that's in the box is that. That's it. What you see is what you get. Pretty much this is what you're going to get out of the box. It's all sealed up in plastic, as you can see. So yeah, okay. So that's what it looks like. Let's cut this open and look at the knives, and we'll check those out real quick, so you can get an idea of the knives that we got over here. Like I said, this was a gift, so I don't know if I would pick this out. So here's all the knives that it comes with. I don't remember the names, obviously, because it's on the box. Alright, so this is the chef's 8-inch chef knife. This is the 8-inch chef knife, as you can see. It feels okay. I mean, you know, it's okay. I'm not saying it's crappy, but it's not what you would expect, but it's okay. So what's this? A slicing knife, a 10-inch slicing knife. That's what this is. A 10-inch slicing knife is what this is called. It is pretty sharp, so that's on there. Then we got, what's this? The paring knife. A 4-inch paring knife comes in this set. See? So it is missing a couple. Here's the knife sharpener. So I don't even know how to use that, but anyway, this is the bread knife right here. This is the bread knife. Check that out. So with the rounded edge at the front of it. And then what's this one? This one is the boning knife. They call this the boning knife. Alright. So they're okay. I don't know. I mean, here's the scissors that come with it. Like I said, we got it as a gift, you know what I mean? I don't know what the value is. I'm not sure how much one of these things run, but it's okay probably for the price, you know. I don't know how much it would go for. I'm not sure exactly, but handles are okay. So that's about it. Not a bad review, not a good review. We haven't been really, I didn't really use it. This is the first time opening it, so I'm not sure. The knives probably work. They probably do their purpose, like I said. I'm just not sure about how much the pricing is. So If this thing is like, you know, I don't know, $50 or less or something like that, then I'd probably say, oh, that's cool. You know, I don't know if I would pay, you know, $199 for something like this, or, you know, anything over 100. I don't know if I'd pay for this. So, all right, so that's it. That's just a little review on that to give you an idea of what she got as a gift for her 15-year anniversary at her job. And, you know, I don't know. Hopefully this review helps you out, and, you know, you could see if this is worth it. If you think this company is worth it, where you think you know, the knives are worth it, or whatever the case may be. All right. So this is Glenn Velvet Reviews out. Everyone enjoy. Have a good day. And bye-bye.